In Centronics versus Genicom, the New Hampshire Supreme Court considered the duty of good faith in contractual arrangements. Centronics entered into a contract to sell business assets to Genicom. The agreement set the purchase price at the consolidated closing net book value of the assets plus $4 million. To determine the book value, Centronics would take its book value on September 28, 1986, and then revise it to reflect operations from then until the closing date. Genicom would have 30 days to review it and propose adjustments. Centronics would then have 30 days to object to any adjustments. Upon closing, Genicom would pay Centronics the purchase price determined from the September balance sheet minus $5 million to be placed in escrow. If Centronics proposed a higher purchase price in its suggested adjustments, Genicom would increase the escrow by the difference. Any disputes would be submitted to a New York accounting firm for binding arbitration. Final payment would be made after the final purchase price was determined. Centronics and Genicom closed the deal on February 13, 1987, with a calculated purchase price of $76 million. Genicom placed $5 million in escrow and paid Centronics the balance. A month later, Centronics revised the balance sheet up to $83 million. Genicom increased the escrow amount but suggested adjusting the price back to the earlier figure. Centronics objected, and the dispute went to the arbitrator. The arbitration had dragged on into the summer when Centronics demanded a distribution from the escrow account. Centronics argued that the amount it wanted was free from dispute and that it needed the funds for an immediate economic opportunity. Genicom refused, claiming that the agreement didn't provide for distributions before determination of the final purchase price. Centronics sued, claiming that Genicom had violated its duty of good faith and fair dealing. The trial court concluded that the only way funds could be released was on final determination of the purchase price by the arbitrator. It found that Centronics was seeking a revision of the contract, not enforcement of good faith in its performance. The court ruled for Genicom. Centronics appealed to the New Hampshire Supreme Court.